What are the qualities of a good teacher? Here's the list that I have prepared, and we will go through these lists one by one, discussing what are the qualities that make a teacher good, or what are those qualities that separate all the teachers from a good teacher. Number one, simplicity. Simplicity in terms of the way they convey the subject to a student. Simplicity is in the way they touch or they take a very complex subject, and when they explain it to the student, they explain it in a way that it is very simpler and it is very easy to understand. Number two is knowledge or in-depth understanding of the subject. They are so well versed, these good teachers are so well versed in their subject that you can ask them any question in any way and they will have the answer, and they will ensure you understand it quick and, like I said, in a very simple way. Number three is passionate. A good teacher will be so passionate about their subject that they will need no external motivation or external input for them to deliver their subject. Next is accountability. They'll be a good teacher will see how a student is progressing. They will have a check. That is what it is, that they will have a check on their students' progress. Number five is patience. Any teacher has to have good patience because the way a student behaves, the way a student asks questions, because sometimes the students ask so many questions. So versus a good teacher needs to have a little more patience because they want to answer to their students so that they understand or they're clear about the subject. So patience is a very important quality that any teacher must have, and a little better patience level when it comes to a good teacher. Number six is vision. A good teacher will have a vision for their students, and at the same time, when the student is achieving success, the teacher will be very happy with their success. A teacher will also be very loving, nourishing, giving, but when I say loving, it doesn't mean all the time loving. It could be at times, or when a situation calls, the teacher will be tough to the students. And by giving, I mean the teacher is sharing his or her knowledge, his or her skills, his or her ideas for the students to grow. Number eight is empathy. You'll see empathy in a very good teacher. Number nine is communication. By communication, I mean a two-way communication wherein when a student is not doing well, or when a student is falling behind, lagging rather, there is a feedback from the teacher to the students. Likewise, a very good teacher will be also open to feedback about the way he teaches, about the way he communicates, the way the teacher shares the content to the students. So the communication is a two-way communication. A good teacher will always be dependable. That means it's like I have your back kinds. So a good teacher will be always dependable. Number 11 is respect. Respect is a good teacher will never demand respect. That respect a student gives to that teacher will always, it'll fall naturally. It'll be like, because the teacher is so well versed, the teacher is so knowledgeable, the teacher is so experienced, the teacher is so caring, etc. That respect will naturally come in. Next is relationship. More or less, you see the relationship between a teacher and the student will be a kind of a respect-driven relationship. However, there are times when the teacher, the mentor, and the student they come to a little friendly terms, and though there will be respect, but it's kind of a friendly relationship. Next is growth. When it comes to growth, the growth will not be just growth for the student. When it is about a good teacher will always be or always would want to catch up with what's happening around, maybe with new books, reading more books, or getting in touch with whatever the new technologies that are coming up. So that is what I mean by growth. So there will be growth not just from the student's perspective, but the teacher will also be engrossed in growing in relation to what's happening around. Next is encouragement. A good teacher will always encourage the student to grow, to pursue his or her dreams, to chase their goals. A good teacher will never pull down or will never be a hindrance or never discourage a student from chasing their dreams or their goals. Next is freedom. A good teacher will always give you that freedom to experiment your ideas, to voice out your ideas, to bring about any new thing that you want to discuss or you want to experiment on. So these were my 15 top qualities which I have been seeing continuously in good teachers. In case I have missed out on something that's very important or something that's non-negotiable, do drop in your comments below and I'll read them out, and probably I'll try to add them on in the next video. There are a few more things I wanted to add along with this that we are discussing about the qualities of the teacher. And what I want to also add on is the teacher-student relationship just does not end once you move out of school or college. This kind of a relationship or this kind of learning from somebody senior still exists and still continues. Like when you're working or you're employed, your managers, your boss could be your new teachers because they're teaching you something about something about your work. So this relationship, this learning from somebody who's senior or somebody you look up to still continues. For people who are in sports or artists, etc., they have coaches, they have mentors, and they are also doing the same work. They are also teaching you, so they are also teachers. Likewise, a spiritual guru or master from whom you are learning spiritual practices or spiritual stuff, they are also your teachers. And last but not the least, life teaches you everything. So I thought I'll not leave out life teaching us so many things, and I wanted to also end this video with the explanation of life as our biggest teacher. And like I said, do drop in your comments about the qualities if I have missed out on any. And till we meet again in the next video, take care, God bless.